Well, good morning and welcome back to Moto UK on this cold, crispy, frozen morning. Couple of things I want to try out is the Carpuride, specifically for a BMW. As you can see, it's reading the tyre pressure monitor in there. It's battery, this one here, in there, that's your throttle. You got your temperature, you got other all bits up here, outside temp, nav, everything. You got your revs, your trip. I've done 4.2 miles so far and I'm in neutral. So turn the hazard lights off. Thank you. Anyway, yeah, just let me go. I've bought this myself, it's not sponsored. They were going to give me one, but not the Pro. This is the W702 BS, specifically for the BMW bikes because it fits in their cradle. And it's working good so far. Everything seems to be working fine on it. The mapping coming through the comms. Yeah, it's working fine. Let's come up this way for a bit. The reason why I come out, I wanted to try my heated gear. My pants are working. My gloves are working, yeah. Yeah, they're on red. So everything's working, so I turn everything off. Yeah, they're all working. So I'm all kitted up from my head to my shoulders with heated gear. The Keis in the soles, which plug into the Keis trousers at the bottom. I'll just turn everything off here. That one's off. And just turn the big one off. Yeah, that's all off now. I don't need them on. Well, we got 5 centigrade out here now. It was icy earlier, but they're working good. So that'll extend my riding. This will definitely. Bike's running absolutely fantastic. Yeah, you got your gear, your speed. It's alright, I like it. The £213 on full eBay, but he let me have that at a real good discount. They're normally about 250, 300. There we go. Take this out and see how we go. But I'll be stopping in a minute and I'll show you. I won't be able to do it in my hand. I don't. Yeah, there we go. You got everything auto, outputs, everything, music, monitoring, settings, you name it, everything. Press iPlate. There we go. Slide it across. Google Maps. I'll have to exit that because I was going to go or Park Farm, but I won't bother with that. That'll do. can have it just as your time. I've got to tighten that up. I've got one screw missing. But not a screw, it's a bolt, Allen key bolt. That come genuine BMW Allen bolt. I lost a nut on the back. They're that tiny, it fell down there and I can't find it. It'll most probably shake its way out. But I've got another cradle. I've got another cradle anyway, so I'm not bothered. But it does extend your riding, having all this, slow down on this bend, it's in the shade, isn't it? Yeah, it does extend your winter riding. And also, I closed my lid, I got a replacement DJI mini mic. Yeah, mine was playing up. Mine was playing up and I explained what it was, sent it to them, and they sent me a new one back. Thought it would have been generous and give me a 3, but no, let's crack that. But yeah, it's okay. Do you know, every road I've been on today's had temporary traffic lights. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. Let's pull up here. So I get back into, see, I've got to learn all this. Right, car aim, that's it. There we go. It's just a matter of getting used to it. But it's easy to sort, really. Yeah, just connect you straight up with the tyre pressure on this, because this bike's already got them fitted, BMW ones. But it's working fine. Yeah, everything's there, so easy to use. The only thing it don't give you is obviously is your fuel range, your fuel tank. But I like that display, digital display, because I ain't got one, have I? I've only got LCD. I can legally overtake him. Yep. Dotted lines. Where shall I go? Where shall I go? Go. I'll turn right. First time I've been on the bike since the Ring of Red. Hope you enjoyed that video. Yeah, I went all the way from Coventry all the way up to Manchester on the 60 to do that. Stayed overnight Saturday, done the ride on Sunday. Absolutely brilliant. Oh, look at this tractor. I'm going to get in the middle of it here. I'll come out. Yeah, here we are, look. The A5, Hinckley and Eton and London. And go to the copper kettle. Yeah. Yeah, I'll go to the copper kettle. Get a cup of tea. Get a cup of tea and a bacon sandwich. The place where I fell off the bike, the last one, I went up the path, didn't I? And I want to go and put my feet down, and the ground wasn't there because there was a drop curve. What a bloody plonker. But look at the Wayfair over there, the far one down there. You've got Blackman there. It's quite good how they've done it actually. It blends in with the sky. Yeah, they're quite good. Iron Mountain, whoever they are. Yeah, Magna Park North, you see. Who you got there? Iron Mountain again. God, that's a big, huge company, that is, whoever they are. Massive, two big mega factories. Here's the village of Willie. So, two-wheel Willie, you can go in there, mate. I went in there last year and it's a bit slippery. I'm not going in again. I go in the summer when all the blooms and the roses are out, that people do. That looks nice. But it gives the bike a good run, doesn't it? It charges the battery up, that's the main thing. Oh yeah, that's one thing I've got to do. I've got to take this battery off and put the BMW one on. I ain't done that yet. Bloody lazy. As you can see, 14.3. Running BMW battery on it, 14.4. It's got a big powerful cold amp crank, what they call a cold amp crankage. Very high on this battery, on the BMs. I could go riding all day, but I've got responsibilities this afternoon. Just keep going. I'll tell you, it's that comfortable. Honestly, it's that comfortable, you know what I mean? I love it. Absolutely love it. Now I'll come over here a little bit. Nice little island. Drop her down into third. I'll have a... It's a bike I like and it fits me perfect. You know what I mean? I put all my bits to it. Jeez. Don't know where this copper kettle is, but yeah, I think it's a bit further up, or just a bit further up. Yeah, it is, yeah. Here we are where these lorries are. No driving on the curb, Derek. You know what happens when you do that. In fact, I'll have my bacon sandwich out here. I'll have my bacon sandwich out here. Ooh. That's not good, is it? That's it, there. It's a BMW proper genuine bracket. So I've locked it on, they lock on as well, so you can't pinch them. Now, people say, You've got your electric gear on, you know what I mean? You're tethered to the bike. There's the thing, look, is that tethered to the bike, and it don't hurt it. It does not hurt it. You put that special grease in with that electrical grease, keep it nice and clean, and it just slips out. There you go. I won't be putting them back on because I don't need them. Plugging it back in, should I say. Well, it's very salty, that bike, very salty. Anyway, I'll get back to you in a minute. Bye for now. Well, hello and welcome back. I had a lovely bacon sandwich. You give me 4 slices of bacon, and you mash your own tea, so I had a lovely strong cup of tea. Just passing Atherstone now on the A5 heading north. I've done 31 miles so far. Yeah, it's alright, I'm happy with it. I really am happy with the bike and the that Carpuride now. I'm still running on the fuel when I filled up at Ring of Red up in Manchester. Yeah, this next island I want to bear left on it, come back through the country side. I bet I'll be heading in towards the sun. Never good, is it, that? Yeah, towards Keis, Baxley, that's the one. That's the one. That's the one. Just watch these roads where they're in the shade.